In this video we will solve some examples. Find the limit if it exists or show that the limit does not exist. This will be our common heading. First limit is limit of x raised to 4 plus 4y square upon x square plus 2y square as xy tends to 0, 0. Let us denote this function by f of xy. First we have to check f of xy is continuous or not. If it is continuous, then we will use definition of continuity. Continuity we have to check at 0, 0 because limit is as xy tends to 0, 0. First we will check at that the f is continuous or not at 0, 0. At 0, 0 f of 0, 0 becomes 0 upon 0, which is indeterminate form. So as we get indeterminate form, we will move to our next step. Next step is we take two different paths and try to get two different limits of f. First path we will try this is we have to try as rough work. Let xy tends to 0, 0 along x-axis. Equation of x-axis is y is equal to 0. Put y equal to 0, function becomes x raised to 4 upon x square, which is x square, and its limit will be 0. Now we take second path along y-axis. Equation of y-axis is x is equal to 0. Function becomes 4y square upon 2y square, which is 2, and limit is 2. Thus we will get two different limits for along x-axis and along y-axis. Now we can finalize. If we do not get different limits, then we check two or three more paths. If we will get same limit, then we have to show limit exists, which can be shown by limit definition or squeeze theorem or polar coordinates, using polar coordinates. As here we got two different limits for different paths, therefore we will use those paths. Let xy tends to 0, 0 along x-axis. Equation of x-axis is y is equal to 0. Therefore f of x 0 is equal to, as y is equal to 0, put here y is equal to 0. We will get this term will become 0, 4y square becomes 0, 2y square becomes 0. Therefore we will get x raised to 4 upon x square, which is equal to x square for x not equal to 0. If x is 0, then we will again get 0 upon 0, which is indeterminate form. Now consider limit of f of xy as xy tends to 0, 0. As we have put y is equal to 0, therefore we get function in terms of x only. Therefore limit becomes as x tends to 0. As we have put y is equal to 0, function becomes of x only. Therefore limit becomes as x tends to 0. We have already put y is equal to 0. Function is f of x0 instead of f of xy as f of x and 0, which is f of x0 is x square. As x square is polynomial, it is continuous, therefore its limit will be 0. Now we take second part. Now let xy tends to 0, 0 along y-axis. that is x is equal to 0. Therefore function becomes f of, now we have put here x is equal to 0. Therefore put x is equal to 0, y as it is. We will get 4y square upon twice y square. 2, 4 and 2 we will be get cancelled and we will get 2 for y not equal to 0. Now consider limit of f of xy as xy tends to 0, 0. As we have put here x is equal to 0, therefore function becomes of y only. Therefore limit of f of 0y as y tends to 0. Limit of 2 as y tends to 0 is equal to, as we get different limits for different paths. Limit of f of xy as xy tends to 0, 0 does not exist.